I can't tell you the number of customers who have written to us because they can't get their fire pump performance curve to print on the report. Or maybe it is on the report, but it's clear that something's off. Almost always, it's because they don't have the key data points entered in for the fire pump. And what I want to do is I want to lay out the 10 key data points that you need to get your fire pump performance curve on the report. There's a lot of information you can enter, but about your fire pump, and a lot of different questions you can answer about your fire pump. But what I want to tell you is the key 10 data points that you need to get your fire pump performance curve. And if you have these 10 data points, your fire pump performance curve will print, and it will print properly on the report every single time. So first, we have 4 key data points that you need for your manufacturer's curve, and then 6 key data points for your current performance curve. The 4 data points that you need to get your manufacturer's curve is the rated GPM, the rated PSI for churn, 100% and 150%. So long as you have those 4 data points, your manufacturer's curve will print on the report every single time. Those 4 data points. The only data points you need to get your current performance curve, your suction, discharge, and total flow for churn, 100% and 150%. Suction, discharge, and total flow. Now, if you do a fire pump inspection and you don't fill anything else out but those key data points, you'll still get the curve, and the curve will be right. So for manufacturer's curve, it's rated GPM and rated PSI for 0, 100%, and 150%. And then for the current performance curve, it's suction, discharge, and total flow for churn, 100% and 150%. And if you put these data points in, you'll get the curve every time.